Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Pet Treater Cat Pack. Pet Treater Cat Pack is a monthly subscription that treats your pet. They do have a dog option. This is the cat package though. It's small. The dog I think is actually like a box. It contains treats, toys, and sometimes some fun things like clothing and stuff like that. Each package is only $12.99, which makes it super affordable. It's just like a nice little something, you know? I will link below to my full review. I'll also link to them with my affiliate link so you can check them out. Oh, if I can ever open it. I should have opened it already. But I didn't. My cat is older. She's 10. So, like, she isn't as, like, I do catch her occasionally playing with the toys. But for the most part, she's, like, into, like, the catnip and the treats. And meowing a lot. Alright, so here's a little card of somebody's little cat playing with the toy from last month's package. My kids also play with the toys a lot, just so we're all in the know. Alright, like this. This is going to be one that my kids probably use to play with the cat, but the cat loses interest and they're just playing with each other. Like making making my daughter, the younger one, chase after it. This is the thing that occurs. And so we wonder why the child pretends to be like a cat a lot. And I think it's because my kid, like, you know, they all play these silly games. The kids, it's what they do. All right, so then we have this Sergeant's Crazy Claws Flippy Fish. So we flip him around and the cat chases it. It's really cute and colorful, which it does also, especially when my kids play with this, I do like it because my cat is not a kid cat. Now, she's not mean. She's never mean. But she does not, like, if the kids are awake, she's usually, like, in the basement. Like, she won't come out. And that's, like, hey, I'm not going to pester. But when they play with this and they, like, try to engage her, it, like, does make her kind of come out of her shell with them. And I do like that because I just want them all to get along. She's always been like that, though. She's as old as my oldest daughter. I got her just a few months before Penelope was born. Even when Penelope was just a tiny baby, she was terrified of her. She wouldn't go near her, which was, like, at the time, I was kind of thankful because, you know, it could be worse, but it could be a lot better, too. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. Buddy Biscuits grain-free cat treats. This is a savory turkey and cheddar flavored little bits. We have gotten stuff from them. I do like that they include this stuff because if your cat has allergies, you're kind of limited. And you might be afraid of a subscription like this, but they do make it a point to include items that work with people that have animals with allergies. Okay, I'm out of breath and I don't know why, because I'm probably talking too much. All right. So there's 13 deals. It's a coupon for 13 deals. This is even, we are shocked. Look at that cat. The cat is shocked. So these are some Pet Treater cool dogs and cats. I think that's funny. Every package comes with a sticker. Last month it said burrito and it was a cat in a burrito shell. This one is meow chicka meow meow. Which is kind of hilarious. So I think there's one more thing. No, there's two more things. This looks like catnip spray. So this is a catnip mist cat infused spray from Smarty Cat. Cats do love this kind of stuff. My cat included. And then finally we have this Toy Shop Playables. It's like an owl. It's on like a piece of, what is that called? You use it in like the shower. I don't know what it's called. But look, you can like do. It's cute. The kids will really like this. So that's everything that I received in my March Pet Treater. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Pet Treater with my affiliate link. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.